What's up, guys? I look like I have no eyelashes right now. What's up, guys? Welcome back. It is very rainy today. It's supposed to rain all day. It's also very windy. That's the sage. I should probably get dressed, but I think I'm just gonna wear my pajama pants and a hoodie because I'm not going anywhere. All right, I'm here. Oh my god, my room is a mess, but please ignore that. Why do I look like a naked mole rat? Today, I'm wearing this motor speedway shirt and these sweatpants. I kind of want some coffee right now. I might go make some. Hey guys, I'm back. I want coffee right now, so I'm also kind of cold. I should probably put a hoodie on. I've got a nice hoodie. Now we're gonna go downstairs. Okay, it's rainy. Hi guys, what's up? So, welcome back.
Ooh,
Today,
this is interesting.
Slippery.
This is interesting.
So we have these masks. We're at Kiara's house today, and we're gonna put on some face masks because it's a rainy day and there's nothing else to do. Today.
Oh shoot! Okay, we ready?
This is so soggy.
Oh god.
Wait. Okay.
Ew, look at all the
I'm
goo.
struggling.
I want minimal goo. There's so much goo.
You are goo.
Too much.
It's like too big.
Wait,
Beak.
there we go.
Beak.
Mine smells pretty yummy.
It's getting on my lips.
Ah!
I'm tasting it. You look scared.
I appreciate.
Oh, this is just my scary.
And then like put it back on.
That one. My face is getting really cold and like. Okay. Okay, guys, let's bounce. Hee. Snacks. I'm leaving them. Okay, so we're about to have a fun day because I get to watch Meteor Garden right now, which is the only thing I really care about. Stop it! Do you see what this?
Hello guys, welcome to my
ASMR video.
What? Hi guys, oh my god. What's up guys? I'm in the car right now. I left Kiara's house and now I'm chilling in the car because my mom is getting some food. So I'm here and I look like a naked mole rat. I'm scared that someone's gonna murder me. Hi guys, I'm home now. And I'm trying to do my English project, but I really don't want to do it, so I'm stalling by vlogging. It is 8 o'clock right now. Okay, I'm gonna end this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye guys.